So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abraham Johnson. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well by the grace of God. I want to thank to my subscribers for their love and support. Please keep supporting me. Okay, so how do I look? This is the national cloth of Pakistan, which is shalwar. This is shalwar and this is kameez, shalwar kameez. So hope you will like my national dress of Pakistan. So today is Independence Day and I want to share some important facts about the flag, national flag of Pakistan. So let's begin this video. The national flag of Pakistan was designed by Syed Amir Kadwani and was based on the original flag of the Muslim League. It was adopted by the Constituent of Pakistan Assembly on, I think, 11th August 1947. The crescent on the flag represents progress and the star represents light and knowledge. The flag comprises a dark green field which represents the Muslim majorities, and the vertical white stripe in the hoist represents the minorities like Christians, Hindus and other believers. Thanks for being with us. Hope you will like this video. Make sure to smash that like button and press that subscribe button. So last thing I would like to say, Pakistan Zindabad. Bye bye.